Hi, Paul with Diode Dynamics, here to introduce our ditch light brackets for the 2016 and up Toyota Tacoma. Now, there's a lot of ditch light brackets already on the market, but we've designed these to be the best option possible with functionality in mind. First, when it comes to design, we've designed these as a very low profile brackets. You can see they're only maybe less than an inch off the hood. Now, there's no interference when you raise and lower the hood, no problem there. And one criticism with the low profile look is that usually you'll glare off the hood. As you can see with the Diode Dynamics lights, that's not the case because of the focus. All of the light is shining over the hood where you need it. And of course, you can still angle these to the side where it's not even a concern at all. But the whole look is really sleek with that low profile design, and it comes together really nicely. Now, when it comes to the materials of these brackets, this is a premium bracket for sure. It's a full stainless construction. Most are mild steel. These are not going to rust. And it's a very thick gauge steel as well. That means no vibration or bouncing around when you're off or on road. These are going to be extremely sturdy. Finally, they've got a durable matte black powder coat, which gives it a great look and matches the Diode Dynamics lights perfectly. Now, you can purchase these by themselves. If you purchase them as a kit with the Diode Dynamics lights, they'll come with a wiring harness as well. The whole installation should only take about 20 or 30 minutes and really isn't too bad. You might want to get some help from a friend because you'll want to remove the hood and make sure everything aligns correctly, but the whole installation isn't bad at all. And once you have the install complete, you can just aim them the direction you'd like, tighten everything down, and you'll be able to shine a bunch of extra light either on the road ahead or off to the sides of the trail. You can find these online at diodedynamics.com now, or use our dealer locator to find them at a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.